Alright, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to put up the Passage 2 tent. I've been told it's really easy, but I've never done it before. It just came in the box the other day, so this is right out of the box putting it up, so let's see what it involves. Here's the footprint, which you have to buy separately. The one cool thing I heard about the footprint is it's color coded, at least that's what I'm told. These sides are, I guess, green or brown, and I believe these sides are black. So, kind of gives you an idea where to put it. Alright, gotta get the right side up. Easy, easy. And then boom. Alright. Now I guess we have this is the tent. This is the tent. Here's the tent and stakes. Just gonna lay the tent out. I'm gonna match up the colors. Okay. Get the stake bag. 2 aluminum stakes. The pole bag, I'm sorry, 2 aluminum poles. Okay, bing, bang, boom. So 1, whoa, I'm stuck in the tree. All right, it's not very good. All right, this other pole. All right, so this is right across. You put one in, there's, just one hole here, sweet. Okay. So you put it right through the 2 holes. One through the footprint, one through the tent. Then you come over here and do the same thing on the other side. Easy enough. Got one through there. Come over here. Put this on top. Lift the poles up. Attach the little clips on. Oh, and this should be on both poles, I'm guessing. Clips. Okay. That's it. It's up. This is great. It's the fastest tent I've ever put up in years. And it's great, and I'm gonna take the camera So that's, I guess, just under 5 minutes to put this up. Not even. Let's see. Oh, the footprint came unhooked here, so I got to rehook the footprint in. But it's pretty good. There's 2 doors. Zippers on both sides. It's super light. Let me shut this door because I don't want a whole world of bugs getting in. And that's the tent. Let's put the fly on now. But it's great. It's an excellent tent, nice and light. All right, so let's put the fly on now. Put this guy back here. A very technical stand here. And I believe the fly is also color coded. Yes, it is. So you have black here, this side. You have green for these sides. So this is pretty simple. Of course, I'm making it look very difficult. Here we go. They just clip right in with quick clips. Super easy. All right, so I'll show you this real quick. This is the fly. I'm going to stake it out. So there's 2 vestibules, one on this side, one on that side. I haven't staked the tent down. But the cool thing is there's tons of ventilation, but these are great. If you just open this, stick this guy right there, you get tons of ventilation in there. And I can do that on both sides. And just leave that open up, so even if it rains, little fuzz on there. Even if it rains, you're going to get a ton of air through there all day and night long, and you're not going to have to deal with anything, any water getting in there. All right, so I'm going to stake this down, and then I'll show you the final product. So here it is, the REI Passage 2. I have it staked down at the ends and at the fly, and other than that, I think I could probably be setting this up in 3 minutes or less without even breaking a sweat. Let's see how evaporated. It's awesome. Here's the one vestibule, so there's plenty of room to leave your boots. And for one person, you can definitely get a pack in there with you, or whatever else you need. There's also lots of them. We have a storage. Let's go inside and check it out. We have a storage bin up top. We have another one here. Another one there. And I am 6'2". Let's try this out and see how I fit in. I'll put this right here. And there's plenty of room for me, so I can sit up just fine, clear my head. You could put 2 people in here. You definitely could. It would obviously be a little more snug, but that does make having the doors on both sides and the vestibules on both sides really great. There's a few things I didn't do. I'm supposed to Velcro the fly to the poles, which I will do. But it's a great tent. So I'm gonna sleeping here tonight just to try it out. There's a little over here, there's a little nub so you can roll up your fly, which just sounds funny, but that's it. The REI Passage 2, I would say putting it up your second time, you could definitely do it in 3 minutes or less without breaking a sweat. Super user-friendly tent.